If you can correctly complete all the exercises, it means you've mastered the present continuous question. How many points will you get? Exercise 1. Correct answer, C. Are you working today? Exercise 2. Correct answer, B. Is she eating dinner now? Exercise 3. Correct answer, A. Are they watching a movie? Exercise 4. Correct answer, D. Is he studying English? Exercise 5. Correct answer, A. Am I talking too fast? Exercise 6. Correct answer, D. Are we working together? Exercise 7. Correct answer, B. Are you reading this book? Exercise 8. Correct answer, C. Is she cooking breakfast? Exercise 9. Correct answer, A. Is he writing a report? Exercise 10. Correct answer, C. Is it snowing outside? Exercise 11. Correct answer, D. Are they building a treehouse? Exercise 12. Correct answer, C. Are we driving to the beach? Exercise 13. Correct answer, A. Am I forgetting something? Exercise 14. Correct answer, B. Is she listening to music? Exercise 15. Correct answer, C. Are they dancing right now? Exercise 16. Correct answer, C. Is he wearing a tie today? Exercise 17. Correct answer, B. Am I speaking clearly? Exercise 18. Correct answer, D. Are we learning something new? Exercise 19. Correct answer, C. Is she walking to work? Exercise 20. Correct answer, B. Are you typing a message? Exercise 21. Correct answer, C. Is he talking on the phone? Exercise 22. Correct answer, D. Am I making too much noise? Exercise 23. Correct answer, B. Are they sleeping? Exercise 24. Correct answer, D. Are we cleaning the house? Exercise 25. Correct answer, C. Is she reading the article? Exercise 26. Correct answer, A. Is he running today? Exercise 27. Correct answer, D. Are you feeling okay? Exercise 28. Correct answer, A. Are they practicing for the show? Exercise 29. Correct answer, B. Am I walking too fast? Exercise 30. Correct answer, See, is it working now? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to post your score in the comments below.